Hey, Partypreneurs! Ever wanted a custom avatar for your profiles, your brand, or just for fun, but you're not an artist and design tools feel too complicated? What if I told you there's a ridiculously easy way to create unique avatars using a tool you probably already use every day? Today on Digital Partypreneur, we're diving into the future of avatar creation, using ChatGPT to generate awesome, personalized avatars with just a few simple prompts. Get ready to ditch the generic profile pics.
All right, so let's jump into how to create an avatar in 3D Pixar style. So the first thing you want to do is come in to chat. Once you're inside Chat GPT, you're going to go here in this box here. You're going to click on this plus sign and add a photo of yourself. Now, this is for if you want a customized avatar that resembles yourself. You can do that by clicking that plus sign and add in that photo of yourself. Okay, so we have this photo here. And then if you don't have a photo and you want a different type of avatar other than a replica of yourself, then you can just go ahead and type in and describe what you want the avatar to look out. Now, to get the 3D type of Pixar character, all we're going to say is using this image, create I'm going to say 3D Pixar animated character. And then we want to show the full body. So we're going to say, using this image, create a 3D Pixar animated character. And we're also going to say full body. All right. And then we're going to click on these little toggle where it says tools here. We want to click on create image. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and click generate. All right. So now that our avatar is created, if you want to go in and tweak anything, all you have to do is just click on her and then you can go in and make edits. Now, so the next thing we want to do is we want to tell chat, we want to say her name is, and you want to name your avatar. So we'll just say Tiana. And we're going to say, I will give you different instructions to create different photos with Tiana. Okay. And then we're going to say, understand. And we're going to wait for chat to reply. Okay, so chat said, understood. Just let me know the next scene or style you want for Tiana. Okay, and then this is how you're going to create your consistent character. So we're going to say, have Tiana on a, let's say, yacht wearing, and then you can get it as graphic as you want. So I'm going to say, wearing, let's say, oversized square sunglasses, flowy, cute sundress. And then let's say, and then we want to describe what she's doing. So let's say, drinking wine while looking at the water view. And then we also want to say what format we want it in. So do you want it in an Instagram post format? Do you want it in a reel format? So I always like to say reel format, and that way, if I ever want to create a video or have my character moving, talking, walking, or anything like that, it'll just be better. So I'm going to say in reel format. And then we're going to go ahead and click generate. All right, so now we have our character. She's sitting on a yacht. She has her sunglasses on and she's drinking wine. So I went ahead and generated some more pictures of Tiana. So I just sped it up a little bit due to the generation time. But here's another one where she's sitting in a luxury car seat. So all I said was have Tiana sitting in a luxury car seat in the driver's seat. And you just describe what you want her to be doing or wearing. So here's another one. I said have Tiana on a safari walk. She has on a safari outfit. She's standing next to her safari Jeep. Okay. And as you can see, she's still consistent. Here's another one. I said, have Tiana in a super woman Halloween costume flying in the air. So the possibilities are endless. All you have to do is create your character, and then you come back in this thread and type what you want your character to be doing and what do you want your character to be wearing. Now, if it comes to it where you come back in this text thread and it won't let you generate or say it's an error or anything like that, all of these images that you already have downloaded of your character, all you have to do is what I showed you in the beginning. Just click on this plus sign, add all of those images in, and say, this is my character, Tiana, whatever you name your character, and what do you want that character to be doing. Also, keep in mind that when you go back and you click on these images, they will be in your library feed, which is over here on the right side. All of the images that you generate inside ChatGPT will be available to you, even if you run into an error inside that thread. You can always go back and tweak what you need or grab those images. So I hope that this was helpful.
So there you have it. Creating unique avatars with ChatGPT is easier than ever. This truly opens up new ways to express yourself digitally. If you're excited to try this out, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with anyone who needs an avatar upgrade. What will your next AI-generated avatar look like? Tell me below.